Okay, yeah, I'm up here at the at register 1.
Oh no! I'm like, we're like. So.
You still got it.
Can you keep the last piece of the wheel? Yeah.
Sorry, engineering was
You feel better now?